Good afternoon, students. Today we are discuss about aromatic hydrocarbon. First of all, go to introduction. So, aromatic hydrocarbon contains carbon and hydrogen. First, number one, carbon and hydrogen present in benzene. Carbon and hydrogen present in benzene. That is aromatic hydrocarbon. The next one, most of the aromatic hydrocarbon become a pleasant odor because of aroma, Greek word pleasant. So example for aromatic hydrocarbon benzene, the structure become benzene. Molecular formula C6H6 contains carbon and hydrogen. Next go to second one, nomenclature and isomerism. Nomenclature and isomer. Nomenclature and isomer. Let us consider benzene. Substitute only one, that is CH3 methyl group. Another one methyl group substituted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2 dimethyl benzene or two adjacent position ortho-xylene. Not only 1, 2 and also 1, 6. So 1, 2 and 1, 6 become ortho position. Next go to meta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first position and third position to attach methyl group. So 1, 3 dimethyl benzene or meta xylene. 1, 3 and also 1, 5. So 1, 3 and 1, 5, that is meta. Last one, para. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 4 dimethyl benzene or opposite direction para xylene, that is nomenclature and isomer. Prefix indicate the position code or ortho, meta and para. The next benzene. The total number of the ratio of sigma and pi bond ratio, that is 4:1. One more. 4:1 ratio. The total number of sigma and pi bond the ratio 4:1 ratio. Okay. The next go to aromaticity. So next go to aromaticity. What are the conditions for aromaticity? First point number 1. Ring is planar. First point number 1, ring is planar. Second point number 2, complete delocalization of pi electron. Complete delocalization of pi electron. Second one. Third one, we are follow the Huggle's rule. 4n plus 2 pi electron. N become integer, whereas 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Let us consider benzene. Example. So benzene. Step 1. Ring is a planar. Correct. Ring become a planar. First rule is undergoes. Second one, complete delocalization of pi electron. That is resonance. To give reverse. So resonance. Complete delocalization of pi electron. Second one. Okay. Third one, Huggle's rule. We are follow the Huggle's rule. 4n plus 2 pi electron. Suppose n equal to 1, substitute. So n equal to 1, substitute. 4 plus 2, totally 6. So 6 pi electrons are present in benzene ring. The totally 6 pi electrons are present in benzene ring. So benzene become act as a aromatic hydrocarbon. Final, we are conclude benzene is aromatic hydrocarbon. Benzene is an aromatic hydrocarbon. The next go to preparation of benzene. Preparation of benzene. First number 1. Take the 3 moles of ethyl. C2H2. Ethyl. Followed by red hot condition in the presence of copper tube. The product C6H6 benzene. First one, cyclic polymerization method. Take the 3 moles of ethyl, red hot condition in the presence of copper tube. The product C6H6 benzene. First one. Second method preparation, reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol. Take the phenol, react with the zinc to give the product become benzene plus zinc oxide. Third method, from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride into plus and Cl minus. Get reduction in the presence of SnCl2 bar NaOH. SnCl2 bar NaOH N2 gaseous state. The product benzene. First number 1. Second one, take the benzene diazonium chloride followed by hypophosphorus acid or ethyl alcohol C2H5OH on heating. Ethyl alcohol or hypophosphorus acid, benzene is obtained. Benzene. Fourth one, decarboxylation of benzene. decarboxylation. Take sodium salt of benzene, sodium benzoate, followed by NaOH in the presence of calcium oxide. So CO2 plus or oxygen, CO3 to Na, so Na2CO3 byproduct, Na2CO3 byproduct plus benzene. Fifth one, sulfonation from sulfonation. So three has sulfonation. So react with the water. So not only water, steam, benzene plus H2SO4 acid byproduct is a one more byproduct. From the sulfonic acid sulfonation reaction, sulfonic acid followed by water, that is steam, water vapor, benzene plus sulfuric acid. The byproduct become a acid. So preparation of benzene. The next go to physical properties. Physical properties. First point number 1, it is a colorless liquid. First point number 1, colorless liquid. Second point number 2, it is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water but readily soluble alcohol, carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, etc. Third one, benzene on combustion, luminous. That is luminous. The next, further on strong heating, sooty flame. Sooty flame. There are three physical properties benzene. The next go to chemical properties. Chemical properties. It's a very important word. Chemical properties. All reaction become aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. It's a aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, there are three steps process. First, step 1, generation of electrophile. First, number 1, generation of electrophile. Second, number 2, formation of carbocation. That is intermediate. Second one, formation of carbocation. Third one, removal of proton. Removal of proton. The three-step process, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Step 1, generation of electrophile. Step 2, formation of carbocation. Step 3, removal of proton. Let us consider step 1. Generation of electrophile. Generation of electrophile. Taking nitrating mixture, that is nitration. Take concentrated sulfuric acid plus concentrated nitric acid. In the concentrated sulfuric acid and a concentrated nitric acid to gives NO2 plus H2O plus HSO4 minus. Here NO2 plus become act as a electrophile. Let us consider sulfuric acid and nitric acid, HNO3. The role of H2SO4 become act as a acid. The role of HNO3 become act as a base. So nitrating mixture. In the nitrating mixture, NO2 plus act as a electrophile. Second one, chlorination. Chlorine react with FeCl3 to gives Cl plus FeCl4 minus. In a chlorination process, Cl plus act as a electrophile. Cl plus. The next go to alkylation. Federal graph alkylation. RCl plus AlCl3 to gives R plus AlCl4 minus. Here R plus alkyl cation R plus. Example CH3Cl. Methyl chloride followed by AlCl3 to gives CH3 plus AlCl4 minus. Here CH3 plus methyl carbocation. Next CH3COCl acetyl chloride followed by AlCl3 to gives CH3CO plus AlCl4 minus. CH3CO plus alkyl carbocation. So step 1, generation of electrophile. To form electrophile in a nitrating mixture, nitration reaction, NO2 plus act as an electrophile. Chlorination, Cl plus act as an electrophile. So generally electro negative, Philip loving. So negative loving become a positive. So electrophile become act as a positive charge. NO2 plus step 1. In this process, second one, formation of carbocation. Step 2, formation of carbocation. Step 2, formation of carbocation. Intermediate. Formation of carbocation. Take the benzene. Benzene to attack electrophile. The intermediate product hydrogen electrophile positive charge. This is a formation of carbocation. In this electrophile to attack sp3 carbon. One more sp3 carbon. In this electrophile to attack sp3 carbon. In the step process method, so slow step process. Slow steps. This is intermediate. Third one, removal of proton. Step 3, removal of proton. Step 3, removal of proton. Carbocation. In the presence of AlCl4 minus, in this AlCl4 to attack, say shifted the product plus HCl plus AlCl3. Step 3, removal of protons. The overall reaction, take the benzene, overall reaction, benzene, so react with Cl2 to give chlorine. First, electrophils attack. Carbocation, intermediate, step 2, followed by AlCl4, the product chlorobenzene plus HCl plus AlCl3. Next, go to graphical representation of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So energy, so reaction coordinate, first one generation of electrophile, initiation first one, intermediate, formation of carbocation, final, removal of proton. It is a graphical representative at different energy level. Lower energy level, moderate energy level and higher energy level. This is a graphical representation of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. The next go to chemical reaction, chemical properties. Overall reaction, chemical properties. First one, chlorination. So chlorination, reagent Cl2 for FeCl3, the product chlorobenzene, here Cl plus act as a electrophile. Second one, bromination. Bromination, Br2 bar AlBr3, product bromobenzene. Here Br plus act as a electrophile. Bromination. The next one, sulfonation. Sulfonation, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 here SO3 plus act as a electrophile. SO3. Next one, nitration. Nitration, reagent concentrator H2SO4 plus concentrator HNO3, the product nitrobenzene. Here NO2 plus act as a electrophile. Nitration. The next go to methylation, Friedel graph. Methylation, CH3Cl, methyl chloride plus anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. So aromatic hydrocarbon toluene. Here Cl3 plus electrophile. Methylation. The next go to ethylation. Ethylation. Like ethyl chloride plus anhydrous AlCl3. The product ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene here C2H5 plus act as a electrophile. C2H5 plus electrophile. The next go to alkylation. Sorry, acetylation. Acetylation. Acetyl chloride CH3COCl. The product acetophenone plus CH3CO plus act as an electrophile. Last one, benzylation. C6H5COCl, benzyl chloride. The product benzophenone. Benzophenone here C6H5CO plus act as an electrophile. All reaction aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Like first one, chlorination, bromination, sulfonation, nitration, Friedel reactions, methylation, ethylation, acetylation and benzonation. So chemical properties. Next go to ozonolysis. Ozonolysis. Ozonolysis to locate the double bond. The 1 mole of benzene, 3 moles of ozone to gives C6H6O9. Triozonoid. This is intermediate compound. Triozonoid. Triozonoid followed by H2O2 bar zinc. The product CHO glyoxal. So benzene get ozonolysis, the final product glyoxal. One more. The next one, combustion. Combustion reaction. Reaction become exothermic. Benzene react with the O2 to gives CO2 carbon dioxide. First one, carbon combines oxygen, CO2 carbon dioxide. Hydrogen combines with oxygen, water, H2O plus heat. 6 carbon, only 1 carbon, that is 6. 6 hydrogen, only 2 hydrogen, 3 2s are 6. Combustion. So combustion finally, benzene react with oxygen, the product carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. The next go to addition reaction. Addition reaction. Benzene does not undergo the addition reaction at ordinary condition. Benzene does not undergo the addition reaction at ordinary condition. Some special condition is applied. First, number 1, high pressure. Second one, high temperature. Third one, in the presence of sunlight, HDU. One more. First, number one, hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. In hydrogenation, take the benzene, H2 in the presence of nickel, act as a catalyst, nickel. The product is cyclohexane. First number one. Second one, chlorination. Chlorination. Benzene followed by 3 moles of Cl2 in the presence of HNu. Presence of sunlight, the product BHC, benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. Next one, ortho and para-dialectic group. It's a very important benzene ring. Ortho and para-dialectic group. First number one, strongly activated. Strongly activating. Strongly activating, first reagent, that is NH2, lone pair. Second, NHR, lone pair. Third one, NR2, lone pair. Fourth one, OH, lone pair of electron, etc. Strongly activated like ortho and para. Second one, moderate activating. Moderate activating. So moderate activating, first number one, NHCO CH3, lone pair, or NHCOR, moderate activating. Second one, OCH3 group attached. Okay, group is attached. Second one, moderate. Third one, slower activating. Slower activating, first one, CH3, methyl. Second one, C2H5, ethane. Third one, alkyne. Fourth one, phenyl, C6H5, etc. Like ortho and para, strongly activated, moderate activated, slower activated. The next, slower deactivated. Slower deactivating, like halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. 1, 2, 3 lone pair. It is ortho and para. The next go to meta deactivating. Meta deactivating. First number one, strong deactivating. Strong deactivating. The group is attached to famous one, NO2, nitro. Next, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Next one, CF3, etc. Strongly deactivated. Next, moderate deactivator. Moderate deactivating COOH acid, CHO aldehyde, CO acid and aldehyde cyanide, etc. Moderate deactivating, that is metal deactivating group. Let us consider first one, ortho and para. In the ortho and para, benzene ring, suppose NH2, that is name of the compound aniline. Aniline, this is ortho and para group. Aniline. So strongly moderated and slower deactivator. The next meta deactivating one, the benzene, NO2, so nitrobenzene, this is meta group. Meta group electron density is higher. Let us consider first one, example, aniline, so react with 3Br2 plus H2O, bromine water, to gives. Here Br plus act as an electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para position. Br plus electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para position. Because of ortho and para position, electron density is higher. The product is named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. This is test for aniline. One more. Test for aniline. Suppose benzene ring attacks OH group. So name of the compound phenol. Phenol react with the concentrator sulfuric acid and concentrator nitric acid HNO3. Here NO2 plus act as an electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para position. Because of OH group ortho and para directing. So the product OH, NO2, NO2 plus 3 H2O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol or picric acid. One more. Which one of the following acid does not contain COOH group? That is picric acid or 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So one more. Ortho and para. The next moderate activating. Moderate. So moderate activating. Discuss about OCH3. The benzene. OCH3 is attached. The name of the compound anisole. Anisole followed by bromination 2Br2. The product ortho and para. OCH3 Br OCH3 this Br. So ortho bromo anisole to para bromo anisole. So ortho bromo anisole is a minor product, para bromo anisole is a major product. That is small weight. Next one, slower activating benzene ring substituted CH3, that is toluene or methylbenzene. So methylbenzene followed by concentrated sulfuric acid and a concentrated nitric acid. The products CH3NO2 plus CH3NO2 plus para portion CH3NO2. So most favoring in ortho and para, less favoring, that is only a meta portion. Less favoring, so only a meta portion. So majority compound toluene like that, concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid, NO2 plus maximum to attach ortho portion or para portion. So minimum is attached meta portion because of slower ortho and para activating group. The next go to the chlorobenzene. Followed by nitration, concentrated sulfuric acid plus concentrated nitric acid. So NO2 plus electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para portion. Ortho nitrochlorobenzene plus para nitrochlorobenzene. Ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene. This ortho and para. Next go to meta directing. Meta deactivating. Meta deactivating. Benzene attacks NO2, nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene during the reaction concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. Concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. NO2 plus attack meta. NO2 plus NO2 ortho portion plus para portion. Here in a meta directing group, meta portion 93% is possibility. 93% is a major product because of NO2 group is a meta directing group. Second one ortho 6%. Para only 1%. The next one COOH, name benzoic acid. Benzoic acid followed by bromination Br2 Br plus electrophile to attack meta position. COOH Br name meta bromo benzoic acid. Meta bromo benzoic acid substitute CHO, name benzaldehyde, followed by chlorination, Cl plus electrophile, meta, metachlorobenzaldehyde. So in aromatic hydrocarbon, especially ortho and para, one of the reagents, one of the group. The next meta deactivating, so one of the group is very important. So most of the aromatic compound became a carcinogenic to produce cancer.